Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top antivirus tier list for 2024, bringing you the latest updates on the best antivirus software that's gonna shield your digital life. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or just browsing, we've got you covered. Our tier list is the result of rigorous testing, user reviews, and the latest in the cybersecurity trends. We're looking at protection capabilities, system impact, feature sets, and of course, user accessibility. Let's jump right in. In the S tier, the elite of the elite, we have Norton 360 and Bitdefender Total Security. These programs offer unmatched protection against all forms of malware, minimal system impact, and a suite of advanced features like ransom protection, real-time threat detection, and privacy tools. Norton 360 particularly has been praised for its innovative AI-driven protection mechanisms that adapt to new threats faster than ever. Moving down to the A tier section, we have McAfee Total Protection, Kaspersky Internet Security, and Avast Premium Security. These are still excellent choices, offering robust protection with a slightly larger system footprint or a less comprehensive feature set. McAfee Total Protection, for example, stands out for its exceptional phishing detection and web security features. In our B tiers, we have antivirus solutions like AVG Internet Security and ESET Smart Security Premium. These are solid, reliable options, especially for users who prioritize specific features like parental controls or VPN services over a broad security suite. And let's not forget, while S and A tires might be the best for tech savvy among us, B tire options can be perfect for less demanding users or those on tighter budget, offering a balance between performance and protection. Finally, our C tire. It's here we place Sophos Home and Panda Dome, which might not offer the same level of protection or features as our top tiers, but can serve as basic defense mechanisms for users with minimal requirements or those looking for free options. Remember, folks, the best antivirus for you depends on your specific needs, usage patterns, and the devices you need to protect. Always consider updating to the latest version to ensure you have the newest security features and threat databases. Before we wrap up, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things tech and cybersecurity.